Hey, welcome back everybody to part 2 of abolishing the rules in Lunar base. I was going to do this in one video, but I got disconnected there. But anyways, after accessing the draw point at Tears Point 16 times, challenging this man once again, the plus rule is now abolished. So now we have one more rule to get rid of here. So let's go ahead and take care of that. So just like all the other times before, we're heading back to Esther so we can pick up their rules, carry them back over to Tears Point. We'll save, do a hard reset, and we'll get this same rule abolished. I get so turned around on this map sometimes, I don't know why. Alright everybody, now that we're in Tears Point, we want to interact with this draw point 26 times. 26. Try not to lose count. Alright everybody, so if we chose to decline from that draw point 26 times, then when we challenge this guy, this should abolish the same rule. And I do believe that when you abolish same, you are also getting rid of same plus. Or when you get rid of same, I believe you're getting rid of same wall, is what I meant to say. And there we have it. The same rule was abolished. So let's take a look real quick and see what kind of rules we have left. Just want to make sure that he doesn't want to mix rules here. Okay, doesn't look like he wants to mix rules anymore. So let's take a quick look and see what we have left here. So we should have open and sudden death. And open is always on our benefit. Sudden death can be a little bit here nor there. I personally like to have it. So if I'm trying to win a rare card and it comes to a draw, instead of having to challenge that person multiple times and them not using that card, sudden death will just, if there's a draw, will continue to keep playing the game. So I personally like to have sudden death open, and there we have it, just open and sudden death. So that's how to abolish all the rules in the lunar base area. I'll also leave a link in the description to get rid of sudden death, in case you prefer not to have that. Although it could come in handy if we want to mix rules in different regions. So it could come in handy there. One other thing to note before continuing is I have took advantage of having a Dia in the party. like we did earlier in the game with Seifer. I have the rest of the characters KO'd, so that she's the only character gaining experience, leveling up, but more importantly, took advantage of her leveling up our GFs. Now, since I'm not playing the remastered edition, I went ahead and got Siren to level 100. And the reason for that, now if you're playing the remastered edition, she does not have to be level 100, but in the PlayStation version, she does. So we can use her tool ability to refine 100 curse spikes into a dark matter, which we will be making more of these later on in the game. You can convert your dark matter into a shaman stone, and then convert your shaman stone into a Rosetta stone. You can also use them to make 100 Ultima stones. But what we're going to use this one for here is to teach Quistis her blue magic shockwave pulsar, which is arguably her strongest limit break. It does break the damage limit, so it will do over 9,999, which is pretty cool. So yeah, if you're playing the PlayStation 1 version and you want that now, now's your chance. If you're doing a low level playthrough, note to get Siren level up faster, I just have her junction to one character by herself, like that, so that this GF doesn't have to share the experience with any other GFs. And even though the character, like Squall, is KO'd, his GFs will still get experience. Now all these other GFs that Selphie has junctioned will also get experience, but it will be divided among all these GFs here. So I only have the GFs junction to a Dia that I need, basically, just so I can take advantage of, you won't need Tomberry for level up, to level up your enemies to get more experience, and strength and speed, along with some HP or more strength, or also auto haste is pretty good. This junctions some strong magic to her, and also you can encounter Marbros in this area, which use that bad breath ability. So you want to junction some good stuff on your status defense here, so your character can stay alive. And other than that, we're going to continue on with the story here, but I think I'll start that on the next video. Thank you for watching, and hope you had a good time.